Step 1. Verify eligibility. Ensure you meet the basic requirements according to Section 1702.113 of Texas Private Security Statutes and Rules. An applicant for a company license or security officer commission and non-commissioned must be at least 18 years of age and must not, at the time of completion, be charged under an information or indictment with the commission of a Class A or Class B misdemeanor or felony offense determined to be disqualifying by commission rule, have been found by a court to be incompetent by reason of a mental defect or disease, and have not been restored to competency, have been dishonorably discharged from the U.S. Armed Services, discharged from the U.S. Armed Services under other conditions determined by the commission to be prohibitive, or dismissed from the U.S. Armed Services if a commissioned officer in the United States Armed Services, or be required to register in this or any other state as a sex offender. Step 2. You have to complete the Level 2 training course. Pursuant to TAC 35.141, the Level 2 training course and test is required of all non-commissioned security officers, commissioned security officers, and personal protection officers. This training course must either be administered by a licensed Level 3 or Level 4 training school and taught by a licensed Level 3 or Level 4 instructor, or it may be administered by a licensed guard company and taught by a representative or employee of the company. You can locate training and education schools on TOPS, which is right here, Texas Online Private Security. So you can search, select training, and then you're going to select filters for Level 3 and Level 4 training school here. And for the purposes of this video, I've entered Houston as the city and hit search. And there you go. All of the approved Texas Department of Public Safety training schools for Level 3 and Level 4. Step 3. After finishing the Level 2 training, you'll receive a certificate of completion. This is necessary for the licensing process. So this is an example. Step 4. You're going to seek employment with a licensed security company. In Texas, you have to be employed by a licensed security company to work as a guard. You can apply for positions before or after completing the Level 2 training. This is one of the companies that came up when I Googled Texas Security Guard Company, Ranger Guard. So you could go and get yourself a job here. Need a security resume fast? Skip the headache. Get a professional security specific resume in 3 easy steps. Buy the listing, fill out a quick form, get your polished resume in 24 hours in PDF and Word. It's tailored for unarmed, armed, event, corporate, and supervisor roles. Perfect for new guards, promotions, and higher paying jobs. Stand out, get hired. No more clunky generic resumes. Grab yours now on Etsy and Beacons. Now, with the help of your employer, you'll be assisted in submitting your applications through the TOPS Texas Online Private Security portal. There's a PDF with step-by-step guides. For the purposes of brevity of this video, I'm not going to go through each part, but give you a brief outline right here. And of course, the links to everything I'm talking about in this video will be included in the description. Number 6. Complete fingerprinting and background check. Schedule an appointment with IdentoGO, the DPS authorized fingerprinting services right here. Digital fingerprinting, that's what you're going to select. Step 7, you have to pay the applicable fees, which include the commissioned security officer or personal protection officer original license fee, which is $57. The FBI fingerprinting fee. The total fingerprinting fee is $39.75 to apply for a paid position. The next step is you are going to receive your pocket card, which looks something like this. You're going to carry this around with you. It's legally required that you have it on your person while you're on duty. You have to renew your license every 2 years. You do not have to take another training course. You submit another application and submit the fee, and your license will be renewed. And the final step is to go to the GuardGuides YouTube channel and join the membership for access to these perks. For $2.99, you can be in the first shift and you can get some loyalty badges next to your name in comments and live chats, custom emojis to use in comments and live chats, and member shout outs. At the end of a video, I will shout out the names of all of the members. Comment if you like what I'm doing and you want to support, and if enough people become members, I will consider increasing the benefits and perks of each subsequent tier and membership. Like and subscribe for more Guard Guides, and be safe.